Hi guys, so here we are today at Shoes of Hollywood. This is Jackie, our shop assistant.
Hi guys.
And while there's no one in the shop, we just thought we'd take the opportunity to do a close-up review of a pair of shoes for you. So today we're going to be looking at the Bejeweled 812, which are covered in rhinestones, and they're also an 8-inch heel. Okay, so they're an 8-inch heel with a 4-inch platform on the front. Each pair has approximately 11,600 rhinestones individually hand laid on them. These are really the top of the range of the pleaser shoes. They have a clear upper, which once you've worn them, they will stretch in and they mold to the shape of your foot, so they end up really super comfortable. The part where your foot goes is like a lovely soft suede, so they're super comfy. I think also in the box there should be oh yes, these also come with ankle cuffs. I don't know if you can see on the video just how much they do sparkle, but yeah, in real life they're just like diamonds sparkling, so they look amazing on. So on the bottom of the shoe is black rubber tread, so they're really great for gripping, so you won't be skidding over in them. So the shoes come in little dust bags, and you also get the pleaser drawstring bag, and there's some spare stones, I think, yeah, in a little bag there's some spare stones if you do knock any off at any stage. And that's the Bejeweled 8-inch 812 rhinestones. Thanks guys.